As part of Cognition 2.1, we've updated the process for manually adding a car to your stock. This video will take you through the process. If you already have vehicle images, we recommend using the Quick Uploader. This reads the registration number from your images and speeds things up significantly. If you don't have images yet, you can use the manual upload option in the top right of your stock page. This makes it easy to add all the required information for your vehicle. You'll see a simple page with the fields you need to complete. The Publish Ads button will stay grayed out until all the mandatory fields are filled in. The required fields are vehicle condition, whether it is new or used. Vehicle location. This is where you set the location the vehicle is at. It will automatically use your default location to try and speed things up for you. Registration field. If you're set up for Reg Lookup, this will automatically fill in the other fields when you press the Lookup button. If not, you can select the Populate Vehicle Data Manually option to reveal the additional mandatory fields you need to complete. Populate the mileage. In addition, if you are set up with the Price Recommendation tool, you can use this to check the recommended local price in order to guide your pricing decision. This will give you a recommended price that you can use or you can enter. At this point, once these fields are filled in, you can publish the vehicle. Choose Draft if you want to edit it further before it goes live on your website, or Active to publish it straight away. At this stage, your vehicle will be saved. You can then add any optional details, media or extras, and any automated processes you've set up in your configuration will also automatically run in the background.